Hi, this is John from McLaud Technology, and today we will present to you of our three most important product now. So this is called McLaud Premium Cleaning Solution. Okay, this is a 1 liter. So look at this, Miss Cameraman. Okay, so this is our 1 liter packaging cleaning solution. This is the 500 grams or half a liter. Okay, 500 ml. This is the 250. Okay, and if you want to try, because you just want to check how it works, this is the 100 ml. Okay, so this one is especially designed for pigment ink. This is the one that manufactured DTF ink. So the one that manufactures our DTF ink is the one that create this anti-pigment ink. So this is, you know, if they know how to create an ink, they know how to erase it or how to dissolve it. So they are the one who created this cleaning solution. So this is a McLaud Premium Cleaning Solution. This is the best way to wet capping and clean your print head. So try it out. This is just cheap. This one is about $49.99 for 1 liter. Okay, $49.99 for 1 liter, and yeah, this is a good thing for your maintaining your printers and keep the printer running all the time. So you know, if you want to have a printer, a DTF printer, somebody told that if you have a DTF printer, you will have an annoying, it's like getting an annoying wife, right? But my secret is simple, okay? The DTF printer is your partner in business. It's the one that giving you money. They're the one that producing, this is the tools to produce money. So it's like a wife too, that help you out. But you have one secret: keep her wet. Your printer, always make it wet. Okay, keep your printer wet all night, every night. Okay, you forget it, your printer will become annoying. Okay, so this is what you need: the McLaud Premium Cleaning Solution. This is the best way to clean your printer. Prevention is better than cure. Okay, so that you will have a partner in your business that will print money every day. So all you need to do is get this cleaning solution. This one, 500 grams, 250. If you wanna try, then if you want to go for vacation, oh, I forgot. You should have the. So we have this for MP2400. By the way, for MP2400. So we have this product. Okay, this is $15. What we call this? Cartridge. Okay, this is a $15 cartridge. And what you're gonna do is open it here. Okay, pour the solution over here. This 250 maybe or 100 ml, but 250 is the best. This is 450 ml capacity. So just put a 250 ml. So maybe buy 2 liters if you have the MP2400, and buy 8 pieces of this. And all you have to do is pour it here. All you have to do, remove the cartridge and put this in, and do the power cleaning to wipe out all the ink in your line, to clean the printhead. And now you can go for vacation. You can go out now, forget your printer. My printer is good, so you have nothing to worry. When you come back, bring your ink in, put it there, do the power cleaning to wipe out the solution, and you go back printing. So this is the secret. So that's why it's easy to get a MP2400, because you can put this as cleaning solution. Put it there, clean your line, power cleaning, because some other printers doesn't have the power cleaning. So you have to do a lot of heat cleaning in order to get rid of the ink. But in MP2400, you just got this one power cleaning, wipe out all the ink, and you can go for vacation right now. It's like easy. And you come back, put your ink, do another power cleaning, and start printing again. Go back to business. All right. So don't forget, get our McLaud Premium Cleaning Solution. This is not so expensive, but it will give you at ease in your printer. The printer will be happy. Okay?